Well,
Huh?
it's an older Chevy, so it needs more chims.
More shims?
Yeah. No,
You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say. So if it's a beautiful day, why not go out and chase your goals? Why not go out and chase your dreams? Why not go out and work on yourself? You hear me? Very important to get out there and work on yourself, fam. Well, nobody owe you nothing, so don't expect anybody to give you anything. Nothing is gonna fall in your lap. You gotta get out there and put in that work. You feel me? You gotta get out there and put in that work. If I could do it, you could do it, you feel me? As long as you above ground, it's another day to get out there, boss up, and make things happen, man. But y'all already know, man, a beautiful day down here in Miami, as you can see. Y'all see it. A beautiful day down here in Miami, Florida, as y'all can see, man. Y'all already know we down south. Home base, as we call it. We at the shop, you hear me? And the boys is putting in that work. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. By the way, I wasn't able to post a video yesterday because yesterday was Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there in the world, you feel me? Happy Mother's Day. But yeah, yesterday I wasn't able to post a video because I was with my mama, I was with my wife's mama, you feel me? Yesterday was just a motherful day, you hear me? But yeah, man, today we back with the footage. And today we giving y'all an update on the Malibu. You feel me? But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, though. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on them post notifications, man. You want to have them post notifications turned on because we do post content often. And on top of that, the content we post be fire. You hear me? And on top of that, y'all ready for this? On top of that, we doing a Donk giveaway. That's right, we doing a Donk giveaway. We giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid starter Donk. You hear me? We giving it away. Notice I said solid starter Donk. I want to emphasize on the starter Donk, you feel me? So people don't get it confused because we're not giving away a fully built Donk. We're giving away a starter Donk. We're giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's right, 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. You feel me? And once again, it's solid. It's not a rust bucket, it's solid. Solid floors, solid trunk pan, solid quarters. It's not a rust bucket. It's a great starting point for anybody trying to get in the Donk game, you feel me? And one of the DPF out there will win this Donk when we hit 200,000 subscribers. For a chance to win this Donk, all you have to do is subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel, click that notification bell, select all, turn on them post notifications. Post notifications must be turned on because part of the requirements is watching and commenting on videos on Donk Planet YouTube channel. So if your notifications on, you get notified when we post new content and you'll know when to go watch videos and comment on videos since that's a part of the whole giveaway, you feel me? Also, you gotta spread the word. Tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway and tell them to subscribe for their chances to win. You feel me? The more people you tell, the more subscribers we get. Right now, we currently at 43,000. We're a little bit under 160,000 shy, you feel me? But we'll get there. It's gonna be a journey. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be a journey, you feel me? But one of the DPF will win that Donk once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. But anyway, man, we about to go ahead on and get into this video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Let's see what's going on at the shop. Let's go. All right, fam, here we go. Update on the Malibu. Oh shit, boy, this thing almost gonna be put together in a second, boy. It's gonna be looking real good. David got the motor in there. Got the motor sitting down in there. You see the motor mounts. Got the bolt in there and everything. Bolted down. This that real behind the scenes footage right here, man. Upgraded suspension. Everything.
Where you drop you off at? No lie. Take the rest of the day off? Take the class over there.
Yeah, just put the radiator support on. Oh yeah, boy, they really took this car apart when they was doing this one. David on everything candy red.
Yeah. Messed up when you did that. KD, all right, take that.
Candy red dash.
He sent me home, I was like, anything. What? I got them out. Peace. Wow. Next Friday?
Yuck, boy.
Oh, Lord. That's a happy boy.
This is a 60s Malibu for those who wonder. 60 something. I don't know the year exactly. Got a chrome alternator, chrome pulleys on there. The block painted that Chevy orange paint. What we got going on over here, Pierre?
Well,
Huh?
older Chevy, so it needs more chims.
More shims?
Yeah. No, me and Deep Brown finished putting the door, kind of line it up.
Yeah.
Bring the door all the way up, put the screws in, get it right. Now we're working our way from the corners, down
Yeah.
to the doors, down to the fenders. Once
Yeah.
that's done, you put the line, you put these on.
In the fenders?
Right, the inner fenders,
Yeah.
before you put the fenders in. You kind of lay it down so that you can just kind of raise it up. Instead
Yeah.
of wiggling it in, you get it scratched up.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Almost done with this side, or that side. Once the fenders, then go with the hood, line the hood up. That's it. Cards. Probably about 80% done.
80% done.
Yeah.
So right now you lining everything up?
Yeah. Takes the most time is the actual body work.
Yeah.
Motor work doesn't take as much time.
Yeah.
Same thing with the interior. Interior, what, couple months?
Yeah.
2-3 months, maybe.
Yeah.
2 months. Body work could take anywhere from 6 months to, depending on the car.
Yeah.
Sometimes it'll take 2 years to get done, 3 years,
Yeah, that's true. It'll take a while.
depending on the model. Parts sometimes take a month, so you can't even, you can't do something.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's what's up though, man. It's coming together, man.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be a beauty.
Well, yeah. What year is 60 what?
65.
65 Malibu, fam.
That's the first year they came out.
Uh-huh.
And on top of that, it's a convertible.
It's a vert, exactly.
So this car's worth money. This
It's gonna be nice.
harder to find. You don't find these.
Definitely. Oh, those brand new door handles over there.
Yeah.
Door handles crispy. Man, y'all see what's going on. Y'all don't mind this. They just sanded it down. You gotta buff it out. Don't mind that. It ain't nothing. They had started sanding it down already. They just got done with the fender. So that's nothing. All you gotta do is buff it out. It'll be shiny as well. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. Them boys putting in that work, man. This Malibu here is gonna be a beauty. Candy red, all candy red. Firewall and all, dashboard and all, everything candy red. Except for the motor. The motor, that Chevy block orange color. Oh yes, sir. Well, yeah, fam, there you have it, man. I just wanted to give y'all an update on that Malibu, man. As you guys can see, that work is being put in. You feel me? Y'all gotta understand, this is a Donk channel. But just because I like Donks and other people might like Donks, there's still other cars out there that people might like. Like this Malibu, I ain't gonna lie, man. I like this Malibu, man. This Malibu, compared to when it came into now, this thing is a beauty, man. I like this Malibu. 65 Malibu, man. That thing looking good, yeah. But anyway, man, y'all already know, man. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Planet Live behind the scenes, you hear me?